In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in Miro. We'll start by opening or creating a board. If you already have a board that contains the content you'd like to reuse, open that up. If not, create a fresh board so you can set things up exactly the way you want. Think of this board as the master version your team will duplicate over and over again. Next, prepare your board content. Add the elements you want to appear every time someone uses this template. Frames are great for defining sections like an agenda, research notes, or a planning timeline. Use shapes and sticky notes for structure, and add text to provide labels, instructions, or prompts so future users know what to do in each area. Keep your layout clean and intentional. Align items, keep spacing consistent, and choose colors that reinforce meaning rather than distract. If there are elements that shouldn't be moved, consider arranging them carefully and, where appropriate, grouping related items. Clear organization now will save a lot of time for anyone using the template later. As you build, imagine someone opening this template for the first time. Will they immediately understand the flow? Short instructional text at the top of each frame can be a helpful guide. You can also include placeholders like a blank sticky with a label such as "Add your goal here" to make the template easy to follow. The goal is to make the template both reusable and self-explanatory. When your layout looks solid and everything is in place, it's time to save it as a template. Go to the top right corner of the board and click Export or Share, then select Save as Template. You'll be prompted to name your template. Choose a clear, descriptive name that makes it easy to find later, such as Sprint Planning, Weekly, or Client Discovery Workshop. If there's a description field, add a brief note about when to use it and what it contains. Finally, choose the visibility. Select Private if you want it available only to you. Choose Team if you want everyone on your team to use it. Pick Public if you want broader access depending on your plan and workspace settings. This helps ensure the right people can find and apply the template without needing to ask for it. And that's it. You've turned a well-organized board into a reusable Miro template, ready to streamline your workflows and keep your projects consistent.